Good morning. Welcome back to Iron and Acres on this snow day in Texas. I'm gonna do a quick video here on my New Holland. I need to try to start it because it rained. It's rained about 1 inch, and I left the muffler on it instead of pulling the muffler off and putting the cap on it. And I don't want that water sitting down in there. Not 100% sure it's gonna start, but we're gonna see what it'll do. Alright, we're heading down here. Looks like some crows. All the chickens, their coops all wrapped up. Keep them warm. They got some scratch thrown out there for them. They got water. Looks like everybody's in there. I don't know if y'all can tell, it's kind of starting to flurry a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and put the jump box on this to try to help it out. I just need to crank it, run it for a couple minutes or so, and then I will pull that muffler off and put that cap on. I just don't want that water sitting in there, and realized a minute ago that I forgot to do this. So we'll get this on there and see if we can get her going. Knock on wood, it has been starting good without a jump box, but it is cold, and I'm just gonna put it on there to help. So let's see if she'll start. Oh man, cross your fingers, because I'm gonna tell you right now, I got mine crossed. Another fun fact about this tractor: we only got a partial key. The rest of it is broke off in the ignition. And I have tried to change the ignition out, and for some reason I just cannot get the ignition that'll work on it. I think it has 3 wires in there, and every one I keep trying to get has 4 wires, even though I order for this particular tractor. And it doesn't work. It'll crank it, but it won't start it. So I'm not sure why. Again, I don't know where this tractor came from, and it might be something to do with somebody else doing something to it. Let's see what she does. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. It started. I'm kind of surprised. It's supposed to be down to like 9 or 10 tomorrow. So today really isn't the hard day. It just now got to 29. So now we're starting to see flurries instead of just rain. It's been rain all day. I said it was supposed to be ice starting early this morning around 4 or 5. But it hasn't been. It's just been cold. It didn't get to freeze until around 10 or so. But we're there now. And I was thinking about this, and I wanted to get this knocked out, changed out, just so I don't have that water in there. It's gonna freeze in there. I don't want to take a chance of ruining my tractor. Got a flat tire on this side, which I always have to air up. But that tire's flat too. I don't know. I guess I run into something with it. Y'all want to take a look in the chicken coop? Well done. Y'all staying warm in there? Everybody warm? That's a good little chicken coop. We built that, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago. And the reason there's wood on it right here and here is we moved, and I only had a box trailer, and I had to cut the whole thing in half in order to get it here. But I cut it in half, and then we put it back together, and man, it's been here the whole time. It's a good little chicken coop. I'll let that guy run for just a little bit. I'll go ahead and make sure all that water's out. Let it get just a little bit of heat in it. Not too much that it melts my little cap, but just enough. We'll go walk around over here for a minute. I got y'all on here, so we'll show you some things. That is my John Deere number 55 ABH 3-bottom plow. It's a trip plow. You don't have to have no hydraulics for it. If you see my other videos, that's my mystery disc right there. Still, I don't know what brand it is, but I did have a viewer actually tell me where I could get bearings. Thank you. Thank you very much. I will be doing that, and we'll try to put it together. See if it helps anything. But for now, let's walk back here. See what everything back here looks like. This our other little field, kinda, not really a field, but that's the one in the mystery disc video we were disking, and I planted clover on it, and I don't know if the seed was bad, or I don't know, maybe it just hadn't had enough water on it yet. But man, we have got no germination. That's zero. I couldn't find anything. I looked around out there for a while. Whoa, we'll fall in the mud. That's a great off. That was actually the first piece of equipment that I operated doing anything with. We were actually dredging out the lake, digging out the lake with it, and I don't remember how old I was. I was little, but I remember Dad standing up behind me telling me, come on, you're getting paid by the hour, let's go, you got to do more than one thing at once. So kind of helped me along the path of being an operator there. It's a 75 Scout 2. It does still run. It runs ish. It doesn't run very good. Debating on what to do with it. Maybe there's a engine swap in the future. Maybe it just needs a carburetor. I'm not sure yet. We got it running just to kind of help my oldest learn how to drive a standard. So I need to get it running again to get the rest of them some seat time in it. Just around here, it's not street legal or anything. We don't drive it out on the road. It's just kind of just a farm buggy, I guess. The main reason we got it running, like I said, was to just give the kids some practice on it. You won't believe how many people nowadays just absolutely don't know how to drive a standard. They really just don't make them that much anymore. So kids don't know how. But I always want my kids to know everything they can know. Want them to have that knowledge. 'Cause one thing nobody can take away from them is what they know, what they learn. So I get them on everything I can, anytime I can, just to help them out. I don't know if they'll ever use it in life, but by golly, they'll know it's there. They'll know what to do with it. It should be warming up now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and get that muffler off there. Let's see if I can burn my hand right quick. You know, it really wasn't that bad. Let's see if I can find my deal. Hopefully that was enough. Hopefully it didn't get too hot. It mounts my thing here. This guy right here. I don't have any clue what it was that I cut off, but I'll tell you what, it fits good. Goes right there. Let's go put everything up and get out of the cold. Oh, come on now. There we go. Throw this back on the charger. That's the Jeep my oldest son drives. It is a standard, so he does good with it. You know, one clutch later, we got him back on the road. Oh man! I know they're saying a little bit more weather's supposed to be coming in. It's supposed to get a little bit worse tonight, I think, into the first part of tomorrow. So we're gonna make sure we got everything charged. We'll go ahead and put this guy back on the charger. That way it's good to go in case I need it for something else.
Well, the ice finally made it to Texas. And I say ice because it's not snow.
Right now, it's 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 16 degrees.
It's 20 degrees. We've been doing all of the outside ice activities. It's not really a snow day, but we're all inside and we're all at home and nobody's going to work or school tomorrow. So, I mean, snow day, but without the snow. I'm gonna put all that footage in what we got throughout the day because we've just been having a ball. I hope y'all are staying warm.
y'all there?